In this video, I'm going to show you how to make shortcut buttons in Notion. So in here, after successfully accessing the homepage of your Notion account, what we're going to do is we're going to simply navigate on the page where we would like to add the button into. Let's say we're going to use this page titled New Page in here. When you click this will then open up the space wherein you can start adding or inputting your contacts or contents about that specific page. Now, since we are talking about shortcut buttons, we simply add it as a block on the selection. We type slash in here and this will activate the options of the blocks that we can add. Then we type buttons. As you can see on the filtered results, we now have button. We simply click this and then we set up the system of the button. So the name of the button will be shortcut button for notifs. Now the trigger is when the button is clicked. Now when the button is clicked, the action would be, let's say we're going to send notification to, then we add recipients. We simply select the recipient in here, then we put the message, then we click done. Now we have successfully added a shortcut button in our Notion account. When you click this will then automatically send you a notification since the button automation runs successfully. And that's about it. That's how to make shortcut buttons in Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.